Hey guys, quick demo here on how to use alcohol inks on the new black synthetic paper I have on my website. So basically just choose the colors that you want. So I've got some blue violet here, some bright yellow and Baja blue. Now as you can see, no colors are really showing on the black surface, but if I were to add a metallic color, so I've got some brass here, I've also got silver, any of the metallic colors will be fine. It will start to bring the color up slightly. If you look closely, you'll be able to see the metallic particles are picking up the blue ink and bring them to the surface, so it kind of lightens it. If I add a bit of alcohol, it will lighten it further. Now, if you have white alcohol ink, that would be even better because it works beautifully with the black surface and the ink. We're basically creating pastel versions of the existing ink color. It's quite beautiful. I can add some more alcohol to this to help it spread further. Now you'll notice this white droplet is not going anywhere even when I blow with my straw, because the white ink actually dries a lot faster and it's got a thicker consistency to the other inks. So you do need to work quickly with the white, so as soon as you apply it, you can give it a blow or add your alcohol to it to help it spread. But if you want to just drop it and then leave it and come back to it, it will most likely dry and then you can't do anything with it after that. So just keep that in mind when you're using the white. And that, my friends, is how to use alcohol inks on top of black synthetic paper.